What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered what process technology actually is, or what a process technician really does for a living, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break it all down in a simple, easy-to-understand way. No textbook language, no overcomplicated explanations. Just a clear overview of the process industries, the job itself, and what kind of work and lifestyle comes with it. Whether you're a student, thinking about a career change, or already working in industry and just want a refresher, at its core, process technology is about taking raw materials and turning them into something useful. That could be gasoline, electricity, clean water, food, or medicine, things we rely on every single day. The industries that do this work are called process industries, and they include oil and gas, chemical plants, power generation, food and beverage manufacturing, pharmaceutical production, water and wastewater treatment, and pulp and paper. Even though these industries produce very different products, they all operate in similar ways. They rely on equipment, procedures, and trained people to keep everything running safely, efficiently, and consistently. Most process facilities follow the same general flow. Raw materials come into the plant and are prepared or separated before going through a controlled process using equipment like pumps, heaters, reactors, or distillation columns. Once that process is complete, a finished product is created and then sent out to customers. On paper, that sounds simple, but in real life, there are a lot of moving parts, and even small problems can turn into big ones if no one is paying attention. That's why process technicians are such a critical part of the operation. A process technician is the person responsible for making sure the process runs the way it's supposed to. On a typical day, that might mean monitoring control panels, checking instruments, adjusting temperatures or pressures, walking the unit to inspect equipment, helping maintenance crews when something breaks, troubleshooting issues, and communicating with other operators and supervisors. There's also documentation involved, like logs and reports, because everything that happens in a process unit needs to be tracked. The job is hands-on, but it's also very mental. You're constantly watching for trends, changes, or warning signs that something isn't quite right. Process technicians work with a wide range of equipment throughout the plant. That includes pumps, compressors, valves, piping, tanks, reactors, heat exchangers, boilers, distillation columns, motors, turbines, generators, and a lot of instrumentation and control systems. You don't have to be an expert on everything right away, but over time, you build a strong understanding of how the equipment works together as a system. The better you understand the process, the better you can keep it running safely and efficiently. To be successful as a process technician, you need a mix of technical skills and personal qualities. Some of the skills are taught through school and on-the-job training, like safety practices, mechanical knowledge, computer skills, and troubleshooting techniques. Other things come down to how you carry yourself at work. Good technicians usually have a strong work ethic, show up on time, follow procedures, communicate clearly, and are willing to keep learning. Companies don't expect new technicians to know everything, but they do expect them to take responsibility and take safety seriously. It's also important to understand the reality of the working conditions. This is not a desk job. Process technicians often work in hot, noisy, or outdoor environments and around heavy equipment. Most facilities operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so shift work is common. That can include nights, weekends, holidays, and long shifts. There are also strict drug and alcohol-free policies because safety is such a big part of the job. While the work can be demanding, it's also stable and well paid in many industries, especially for people who stick with it and build experience. Process industries have a major impact on the world around them, including local communities, the economy, and the environment. Because of that, companies are constantly responding to things like global competition, stricter safety and environmental regulations, and advances in automation and technology. For process technicians, this means the job continues to evolve. There's more technology involved than ever before, and there's a growing emphasis on problem solving, communication, and adaptability. Safety plays a huge role in everything that happens in process technology. Government agencies like OSHA, the EPA, the Department of Transportation, and others set rules and standards to protect workers, the public, and the environment. Following these regulations isn't optional. Safety is part of the job every single day, and good process technicians take pride in doing things the right way, even when no one is watching. So that's the big picture of process technology and what a process technician does. If you like hands-on work, problem solving, teamwork, and being part of an industry that literally keeps the world running, this can be a solid career path. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.